Okay, every one of these little bamboo stick things, which is pushing 12-ish or so inches apart, is where there's supposed to be a hardneck garlic clove planted back in the fall, early winter, whenever I got to it. Anyhow, I don't see a single garlic plant. I literally only see weeds and nothing. Like, there should be some scapes pointing through something, but nothing. I mean, this is clearly grass here, but like, I don't see it anywhere, and I'm just wondering now what happened. I need to check my book and see how many I actually put in the ground, but the soil's not too hard that it won't come up, you know what I mean? I don't know. I ordered it offline, off Amazon. It was a hardneck variety, but it's just frustrating me because I'm seeing no garlic at all, and if there isn't going to be any, I want to utilize the space, but if it is going to come up, I don't want to have, you know, prematurely dug it up. So, I don't know what happened. I did it the same as I always do garlic every year, and I got nothing. I don't know. I don't know. I've checked multiple of them. I was pulling straw off. Nothing. Nothing. Now my soft necks, they're up, but this here hard neck, it is not up. Of course, soft necks is in a raised bed, and I actually put this in the garden spot. I don't know what the difference would have been with it being though. Okay, after being so aggravated and not be decided, I just dug up, and this is literally the only clove I've found so far out of 4 or 5 spots, and this is it so far. You can tell, I mean, it's got some root right there. I'm gonna stick it back in and see what it does, but it ain't looking overly promising. Definitely, I don't know. I mean, it was just in a couple inches so deep, but you can see where I dug it all up. I mean, it's not hard soil, so I mean, I don't know. It's frustrating me. I don't know what would have eaten them, if anything, but I'm gonna put it back in the ground and see what happens here. Okay, I stuck it in between these 3 here sticks. That way I can keep an eye and see what, if anything, how long it takes or any of that there good scientific gardening stuff that I like to think I do. So anyhow, with that, this is really rather disappointing, and that was a really small clove, but it was definitely garlic. It smelled like garlic, and it was white like the garlic cloves, but yeah, anyhow, I don't know. We'll keep digging and see what I find or don't find. Okay, still working in the garlic here, and I actually found 2 Peasley little garlic scape things here. I can't think right now. In a row. I had 2 that were not there. No clove, nothing. Over here, kind of here, and I had a dinky little one here, and then an even dinkier one there. So I've got the straw and stuff off of them. Gonna hope some sunshine and time will get them what they're supposed to be. Okay, so you can see here, my hardneck garlic that I planted was 51 cloves, and out of 51 cloves, I got 4. So that is horrible odds. I am not sure exactly what happened. I found some of the papers in the ground. A lot of them were just gone, so I don't know if they just rotted, if some kind of worm or bug or something down in there ate them. I don't know what happened. They just did not produce anything at all, and 4 cloves out of 51 is really horrible odds, so I definitely will not be ordering that again. I got it off of Amazon, just under a hardneck garlic. So with that, not good at all.